Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you a pom pom I made with by my hand. So I show you guys so you can make it very easily. This head I made for my baby, and this pom pom is really beautiful. It's look good. That's why I want to give you a tutorial so you can make it too. For pom pom, I will use this yarn. This wool is really nice and it's yellow color. So comfortable and so soft and so warm. So you can see I do like this a lot of times, then I'll make a knot. I'm done. Now I cut the yarn both sides. Now I put over here very gently, otherwise it will be messed up. And I cut a piece of yarn, then I'll make a knot in the middle of this. So you can see I make a knot very gently in the middle, and it's tight. Yeah, it's done. Now I have to cut both sides and precise. So I cut from this side and other side too, then I will precise, then it will be nice. So this side too. Now it's like this. You can see it's a little bit messy, but now I fixed it by scissor. So I hold like this and then I cut, and it will be very beautiful. So now I make a circle. So I cut extra yarn. It takes time, but it's very easy. So if you don't have any tools to make a pom pom, you can make by your hand. So I'm done almost. So now this is the final look. You can see it's really nice and so beautiful, so you can use that one with this hat or shoes and whatever you want you can put. It will be very pretty and cool. So that's for art today, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. I hope you like this video and you can make it now a pom pom very easily. If you don't have tools, it doesn't matter. You can make this pom pom with by your hand, so it's very easy and quick. So thank you so much. Bye.